Writing your timeline. Your timeline will cover the first 18 years of your life. During the internal child phase, your formative years, you will have developed memories from everything going on in your environment. From 6 years onwards, you will have started to grow into your internal parent phase, during which you will have developed your personality. For your timeline, you are going to make a list numbered 1 to 18, representing each year of your life up to 18. And against each number, you want to put one or more events that happened to you during that time. The memories we hold from our first couple of years may be difficult or even impossible to recall, and for this reason, I suggest you group your timeline into two sections. Events you can recall between birth and 6 years, and events you can recall between the age of 6 and 18. Remember, this is your timeline. So there are no rights and no wrongs. I want you to think about the events and start to consider why these events are memorable to you. We will explore more of this throughout the program. Let me help you to get started. The first section, between birth and 6, is likely to contain events that happened to you. For example, operations you had, including circumcision, parents arguing and shouting, feeling neglect or exclusion, moving house, birth of a younger sibling, sibling rivalry, going to school, experience death in the family. So anything in those first 6 years that happened, any events that you can think of, all events are important. Even if you think they are inconsequential, just add them in. Also add in events that you don't recall, but that you've been told that happened to you or around you. Don't worry if you can't remember whether events happened at the age of 2 or 3. Just write them in that first 6 years somewhere in the time. The second section, between 6 and 18, and this is the section which we call the internal parent phase. This is also a section where we've developed our personality. It is likely to focus on events and experiences both at home and at school. Again, these events don't have to be big. It's just important to recall as many as you can. Within this section, it is good to think about situations which could have increased your adrenaline, or your stress responses, raised cortisol levels. So you might think of things like being bullied at school, being called names, being teased, excluded from other children, succeeding or failing in sporting or crafting events, an accident that you might have had, an illness or an operation, a death in the family or of a close friend, birth of a sibling, a fallout with a close friend, the transition from junior to senior school, mastering new skills and achieving recognition from them, building new relationships, falling in love, falling out of love, navigating the challenges of puberty, looking after younger siblings, pushing the parental boundaries, taking exams. So anything that happened to you during these stages where you are growing up and experiencing things for the first time. If relevant to you, please add any adverse childhood experiences, or what they call ACEs. These events are very important to your timeline, but if you feel that there's anything that you don't want to share with me, please leave it off my copy. I want you to spend time on this list. This is an important part of the program, but don't analyze this list. Just write down the events as you recall them or what you've been told, and put it against the age they happen as accurately as you can. You are going to use some of these events during our expressive writing task. After you have written the list, I would like you to send it to me so I can use it to guide you through the program. Good luck, and I'll speak to you soon.